What if I tell you something very simple? The dashboard you are seeing right now is a ready-made Excel template. You just need to upload your sales data set and this dashboard will be ready to use. No redesign, no extra work. Just paste your data, click refresh, and everything updates automatically. That's why this dashboard is very powerful and very useful. Welcome back, my YouTube family. I am your instructor and my name is Rashid. You are watching Data Universe BI. In this video, I will show you how to create this sales performance intelligence dashboard in Excel step by step in a very simple way. Let me quickly explain this dashboard. At the top, we have KPI cards: sales target, sales amount, variance, percentage achievement, and units sold. This gives you a quick business summary. On the left side, we have a navigation menu: overview, regional analysis, sales representative analysis, product category, and monthly trend. This makes the dashboard clean and professional. In the center, we have target met percentage by region and target status distribution. This helps you see performance by region. On the right side, we have sales target versus sales amount with percentage achievement line. This clearly shows target versus actual sales. At the bottom, we have variance by product category. This helps identify top and low performing products. On the right side, we also have interactive slicers: year, month, region, target status, and product category. One click filters the entire dashboard. The best part is, this dataset and template are free. You will find the download link in the description. You can practice along with me. If you like Excel dashboards and easy learning, please subscribe to Data Universe BI. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this sales performance dashboard in Excel.
Now go to Power Pivot. Click on Add to Data Model. This will upload your dataset into the Power Pivot module. Now your data is ready for analysis. Now let's create measures. First measure is sales amount. Inside the sum formula, select the sales amount column. Next measure is target. Inside the sum formula, select the sales target column. Next measure is variance. Simply subtract sales amount from sales target. Next measure is percentage achievement. Divide sales amount by sales target amount. Next measure is units sold. Inside the sum formula, select the units sold column. Now count the number of sales in this dataset. Use count formula on the target status column. Now select all measures except percentage. Go to Home. Apply comma style. Remove both decimals. Now select the percentage measure. Apply percentage format. Remove both decimals. Go to Home. Click on Pivot Table. Press OK. Put region into rows. Put percentage achievement into values. Now you can see percentage achievement by region. Go to Insert. Select, right-click on the pivot table. Sort it from smallest to largest. Right-click on the chart buttons. Select Hide All Field buttons on chart. Select the total legend. Press Delete. Delete these values on the x-axis. Click on the plus button. Check Data Labels. Uncheck Grid Lines. Rename the chart title to Target Met Percentage by Region. Select the chart title, go to Home, set font style to Arial. Now copy this pivot table, paste it into column H. Right-click on the pivot table, select Show Field List. Remove both fields from the pivot table. Put target status into rows. Put count into values. Go to Insert. Select Donut Chart. Right-click on the chart buttons. Select Hide All Field buttons on chart. Select the legend. Press Delete. Click on the plus button. Check Data Labels. Double-click on the chart. Select Data Labels. Under Label Options, check Category Name and Percentage. Rename the chart title to Count by Target Status. Select the chart title. Go to Home. Set font style to Arial. Now copy this pivot table. Paste it into column N. Right-click on the pivot table. Click Show Field List. Remove both fields from the pivot table. Put region into rows. Put target amount, sales amount, and percentage variance into values. Go to Insert. Under Bar or Column Chart, select More Column Charts. Click on Combo Chart. Select the second chart option. Press OK. Right-click on the chart buttons. Select Hide All Field buttons on chart. Click on the plus sign. Check Chart Title. Rename the chart title. Select the chart title. Go to Home. Set the font style to Arial. Double-click on the chart to open the formatting pane. Select Legend. Under Legend Options, select Bottom. Select the line in the chart. Go to Fill and Line. Change the line color to black. Click on the plus button, check Data Labels. Select the data labels. Go to Home, set the font style to Arial. Go to Label Options. Set the label position to top. Now copy and paste this. Right-click on the chart. Click Show Field List. Remove all fields from the pivot table. Put product category into rows. Put variance into values. Go to Insert. Select Stacked Line Chart. Right-click on the chart buttons. Select Hide All Field buttons on chart. Rename the chart title to Variance by Product Category. Select the chart title. Go to Home. Set the font style to Arial. Select the total legend. Press Delete. Click on the plus button. Under Grid Lines, check Primary Major Vertical. Double-click on the chart to open the formatting pane. Select the line in the chart. Check Smooth Line. Add a new sheet. Rename it to Dashboard. Double-click on the Home tab. This will hide the menu bar. Go to View. Uncheck Headings. Uncheck Formula Bar. Select the entire sheet. Go to Home. Set the background color to 60% light olive green. Go to Insert. Select top corner's rounded shape. Rotate the rounded corner to the left side. Adjust the shape on the left side of the dashboard. Select from row number 3. Select this entire area. Go to Home. Change the background color to 80% light olive green. Select the shape. Go to Shape Format. Set Outline to No Outline. Under Shape Styles, select the moderate effect in olive green. Go to Insert. Under Shapes, select Rectangle with rounded corners. Paste this shape on the menu bar. Type Overview inside this shape. Select the text. Align the text to center. Set the font style to Arial. Set the font size to 12. Go to Shape Format. Set Shape Fill to white. Set Shape Outline to No Outline. Now make a copy of this shape. Drag it below this shape. Reduce the font size to 11. Change the text color to white. Go to Shape Format. Set Shape Fill to No Fill. Rename this shape to Regional Analysis. Similarly, copy and paste the remaining shapes. Rename them according to their context. Hold the Shift key. Select all shapes. Go to Shape Format. Under Align, select Align Right. Distribute vertically. Now all shapes are evenly spaced. Go to Insert. Click on Shapes. Select Diagonal Corners, Rounded Rectangle. Paste this shape at the top of the dashboard. Go to Shape Format. Under Shape Styles, select the moderate effect in olive green. Rename the text inside the shape to Sales Performance Intelligence Dashboard. Go to Home. Set the font style to Arial. Make it bold. Set the font size to 24. Align the text to center and middle. Now go to Sheet 1. Select this chart. Go to Insert. Click on Slicers. From this window, select the slicers you need. Click OK. Hold the Shift key. Click on all slicers one by one to select them all. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the slicers. Paste them on the main dashboard sheet. Select the Year slicer. Place it on the top left side of the dashboard. Select the Month slicer. Select the Region slicer. Go to the Slicer tab. Set columns to 2. Select the Target Status slicer. Go to the Slicer tab. Set header columns to 2. Hold the Shift key. Click on all slicers to select them all. Select the first slicer style under the dark section. Go to Insert. Under Shapes, select Rounded Corner Rectangle. Go to Shape Format. Set the fill color to white. Set the size to 2.46 by 4.79. Make 4 more copies of this shape. Adjust them on the right side of the first shape. Hold the Shift key. Select all shapes. Go to Shape Format. Click Align. Then select Align Top. Click Distribute horizontally. Now the shapes are evenly spaced. Make 1 more copy of this shape. Adjust it as shown. Now make 1 more copy of this shape. Go to Shape Format. Set the size to 6.04 by 7.62. Make 1 more copy of this shape. Adjust it on the right side of this shape. Make 1 more copy again. Place it below these 2 shapes. Now go to Sheet 1. Cut the charts one by one. Bring them to the main dashboard sheet. Resize the charts according to the card size. Double-click on the first chart to open the formatting pane. Under Fill, select No Fill. Apply the same No Fill setting to the other charts. Under Border, select No Line. Apply No Line to all charts. Now go to Sheet 1. Make a copy of this last pivot table. Right-click on the pivot table. Select Show Field List. Remove both fields from the pivot table. Put your KPI values into the Values section. Now go back to the main dashboard sheet. Go to View. Check Formula Bar. Select the first shape. In the formula bar, type equals. Go to Sheet 1. Select the first target value. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Select the second shape. Type equals in the formula bar. Go to the other sheet. Select the sales amount value. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Similarly, populate the values for the remaining cards. Hold the Shift key. Click on all shapes one by one to select them all. Go to Home. Set the font style to Arial. Set the font size to 16. Align right and center. Go to Insert. Select Text Box. Give this text box a name. Go to Home. Align the text to center. Set the font style to Arial. Change the text color to dark green. Now make copies of this text box. Paste them on the other shapes. Rename them according to their values. Go to View, uncheck Formula Bar. Now if you click on the slicers, they are not filtering the whole dashboard. To fix this, select the first slicer. Go to the Slicer tab, click Report Connections. Check all pivot tables in this window. Click OK, select the next slicer. Go to the Slicer tab, click Report Connections. Check all pivot tables. Click OK. Apply the same setting to the remaining slicers. Now, when you click on any slicer, it filters the entire dashboard. Go to Insert. Click on Pictures. Select Place over Cells. Choose this device. From the same folder path, upload all the icons. Select the icons. Go to Shape Format. Set the size to 1 by 1. Apply the same size to the bigger icons. Adjust all the icons on their relevant KPI cards.